What's up, my dudes? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got a couple of mainline Hot Wheels to crack open and a couple of M2 machines to look at, starting with this one right here. I took it out of the package off camera just to make things easier, but it's this awesome Firebird with beautiful navy blue metallic paint, which just sparkles oh so lovely. Got some Cragger wheels, big race slicks in the rear. This one has a plastic base. Pretty nice details up front, pretty basic, just silver headlights. We got a nice blower. It looks like there's some color under the hood. I don't think the hood actually opens up, no. Let's see, taillights look good. Pontiac emblem looks good. Very nice. Windows roll down, black interior, nice chrome trim. Very nice model, I like that one, very cool. Rolls okay. Actually, rolls really good for an M2. Well, oh, spoke too soon. It's all good. And the other M2 I have is this beautiful, beautiful truck right here. Oh, there we go. That's this awesome GMC 1500, which, as you guys probably know, I have one of these and I love it. I just didn't want to build this one, to be honest with you. Figured I'd show it to you, but I really don't feel like taking it out of the package and building it. These things are a pain in the ass. But there it is. Pretty cool. Maybe I'll build it one of these days. All right, now let's get to those mainline Hot Wheels that I mentioned. Let's see, let's start with this one right here. It's from Baja Blazers, Porsche 928S Safari. Pretty cool looking model. There we go. Got some nice 5-spoke wheels, Bilstein tempos, got some gear up there and a spare in the back. Sparco, which is the kind of seats I used to have in my Civic. Some rally lights, very cool. Oh, they've been branded Hella, very cool. Very nice. And Bilstein shocks, the kind of shocks I have in my Yukon. Very nice. There you go, there's the tail lights, blacked out. Yeah, it's a cool little Porsche. All right, I'll put it right there next to the Firebird. Let's see, next one up. Let's see, what is this thing? It's from Greenspeed, so it's a car I'm not familiar with. Rimac Navara, or Rimac Navara. You guys know I'm not a fan of electric glorified golf carts, but this one looked pretty cool, and I figured I'd show it to you guys on camera. All right, there it is. That's a nice looking car. You know, it has the shape of a real car, even though it's electric crap. The Wi-Fi wheels. Headlights look nice. It's got side mirrors. The wing is metal. That's nice. And I do like when the base matches the color of the car. Yeah, so there's that one. It's all right. It obviously won't make the wall, but it's not a bad looking car. Probably use it for the track or something. All right, let's see. Next one up is a much cooler car. It's a Civic Type R with police tampos, which I thought was pretty neat. I bummed it didn't have taillights, but I had to pick it up regardless. Just look cool with Japanese police, I'm guessing. Let's go ahead and crack it open. Oh, that one opened up really nice and easy. It's got those what are they, PR5s? I forget, with a red lip. Also has a metal wing, very nice, and side view mirrors, black interior. Windows are rolled up on this one. JNC, I don't know what that means. I could look it up real quick. Yeah, see, that's what I'm saying. No details on the back really at all. I mean, they could have painted that black, put license plate, colored the tail lights, the third brake light, something, you know. The front looks great. Look at the headlights, the Honda emblem, the Type R, all very legible. Very nice. So overall, pretty cool car. And let's see, the last one for this video is this custom 68 Camaro. And when they say custom, they mean it. I mean, this thing is chopped up and crazy looking. I wasn't really sure. Oh, it's from Hot Wheels Slammed, by the way. Not really sure how I feel about it. So let's go ahead and take a closer look. All right, there we go. I mean, at a glance, I wouldn't even know that was a Camaro. big mid-wing back here. It looks like there was gonna be a wing there, but then they decided not to put a wing. Base is very basic. Got some kind of skull tampo in Japanese letters. Windows roll down. Pretty crazy front end there. It's like a flat blue color. The wheels are super cool though. I love these wheels. Very tough looking. Is that a turbo and exhaust off the side of it right there? That's pretty cool. It's very cool. Is it on this side too? Okay, there we go. Yeah, so twin turbo. Very interesting. I like where they were going with this. I think they might have missed the mark just a little, but it is kind of cool. I don't know. You guys let me know what you think in the comment section down below. But alright, that's all I got for you. Sorry, there's just not been a lot of diecast in my area as of late. Maybe I'll do some other kind of video, maybe a collection video, or maybe a casting specific video in the near future. I don't know. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you dudes next time.